Hello, this is Hans the Dutch guy with Much Dutch, and this time we will see how to pronounce Multatuli, the pen name of the Dutch author Eduard Douwes Dekker. This is the way we say Multatuli. Multatuli. There is a light emphasis on the third syllable. Multatuli. 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 His real name was Eduard Douwes Dekker. Eduard Douwes Dekker. Eduard Douwes Dekker. But we generally know him by his pen name Multatuli. I hope this video was helpful. You can help us by liking it and by subscribing to our channel. We also have memberships available with perks such as requesting words and sentences. And we do have plenty of other content here, so be sure to check that out too. Tot ziens!